In the maritime industry, reliable marine electronics are crucial for the safe and efficient operation of vessels. From navigation systems to communication devices, these technologies play a vital role in daily operations, including internet systems. Regular maintenance of marine electronics ensures their longevity, optimal performance, and reliability, preventing costly failures and enhancing safety at sea. Regular maintenance significantly enhances the longevity and performance of marine electronics. By routinely inspecting, cleaning, and updating these systems, operators can ensure they function at their best. This proactive approach helps prevent wear and tear, extending the lifespan of the equipment and maintaining high-performance standards. Unexpected failures of marine electronics can lead to dangerous situations and costly downtimes. Regular maintenance helps identify potential issues before they escalate into major problems. Through scheduled inspections and timely repairs, operators can prevent unexpected failures, ensuring continuous operation and safety of the vessel. Safety is paramount in maritime operations, and reliable marine electronics are essential for ensuring it. Regular maintenance ensures that critical systems such as navigation, communication, and radar function correctly. This reliability is crucial for safe navigation, collision avoidance, and effective communication with other vessels and shore-based operations. Operational efficiency is greatly enhanced through the regular maintenance of marine electronics. Well-maintained systems provide accurate data, reliable communication, and efficient navigation, allowing for smoother and more efficient operations. While regular maintenance requires an initial investment, it leads to significant cost savings in the long run. Preventative maintenance reduces the likelihood of major breakdowns and expensive repairs. Additionally, it minimizes downtime, ensuring that vessels remain operational and productive, which is crucial for commercial maritime operations. Implementing best practices for regular maintenance is essential for maximizing the benefits. These include scheduled inspections, regularly scheduled inspections to identify potential issues early, cleaning and calibration, keeping systems clean and calibrated for optimal performance, software updates, ensuring that all software and firmware are up to date. Regular maintenance of marine electronics is a critical aspect of maritime operations. It enhances the longevity and performance of equipment, prevents unexpected failures, ensures safety, optimizes operational efficiency, and leads to cost savings.